Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first impression guests have of your home. In Orange Park, where charm and curb appeal are highly valued, the right door can transform an ordinary exterior into something truly stylish. Whether you're looking to upgrade your entryway, patio, or interior doors, custom door installation offers endless options to match your personal taste and enhance your home's beauty. Here's a guide to the best choices for Orange Park homeowners seeking style and functionality. Statement-making entry doors. Your front door sets the tone for your entire home. Custom entry doors allow you to combine elegance with durability while reflecting your unique style. Wood doors. Timeless and rich in character, custom wood doors can be crafted in a variety of finishes and stains. Options like mahogany or oak provide warmth and sophistication. Fiberglass doors. Designed to mimic wood without the maintenance, fiberglass doors are durable and weather-resistant, perfect for Orange Park's humid climate. Steel doors. Strong and secure, modern steel doors can be customized with sleek finishes and decorative glass for both safety and style. With customization, you can add unique touches like sidelights, transom windows, or decorative glass inserts to create a one-of-a-kind look. French doors. For elegance, French doors are a classic choice that instantly adds sophistication to any Orange Park home. With their wide glass panes and double-door design, they bring in natural light and create a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Perfect placement. Living rooms, dining areas, or opening onto a patio. Customization options. Choose between clear, frosted, or decorative glass, as well as different grid patterns to match your home's architecture. French doors not only enhance style but also make spaces feel larger and more open. Sliding glass doors. For modern living. For homeowners who value convenience and expansive views, custom sliding glass doors are a fantastic option. Benefits. They maximize natural light, save space, and create a modern aesthetic. Customization options. Frames can be tailored in vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, with multiple finishes to complement your home's design. Sliding glass doors are especially popular for Orange Park homes with patios, decks, or pools, providing a stylish gateway to outdoor living. Barn doors. For interior-style barn doors have become a popular trend in interior design, offering a mix of rustic charm and modern flair. Where to use them? Bedrooms, offices, or as stylish dividers for open-concept living areas. Customization options. Choose from reclaimed wood for a farmhouse look or sleek painted finishes for a contemporary touch. These doors are not only functional but also a design statement that adds character to your interior. Arched and specialty doors. For unique designs. For Orange Park homeowners who want their home to stand out, arched or specialty-shaped doors provide a striking focal point. Options include round-top entry doors, custom carved designs, or doors with geometric glass inserts. Curb appeal boost. These unique designs add architectural interest and instantly elevate your home's exterior style. The importance of professional installation. Custom doors require precise installation to look and perform their best. A poorly installed door can lead to gaps, drafts, or security concerns. By working with professionals, you'll ensure proper alignment and sealing, long-lasting durability, maximum style impact and functionality. Final thoughts. For stylish Orange Park homes, custom door installation is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. From statement-making entry doors to elegant French designs, modern sliding glass doors, rustic barn doors, and unique specialty options, there's a solution to suit every taste. By choosing a door that reflects your style and relying on expert installation, you'll enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and value for years to come.